Number 1.
1988 Ford Ranger, price $7,995, well-maintained classic pickup that combines rugged capability with timeless styling. Showing 213,000 miles on the odometer, it is powered by a dependable 2.9L V6 OHV12V fuel-injected gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, providing drivers with a more engaging and controlled driving experience. The truck delivers an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway, offering a balanced mix of performance and efficiency. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior with a black interior, this Ranger presents a classic and distinctive appearance. Inside, durable cloth seating and practical manual windows reflect the truck's straightforward, hard-working character while ensuring comfort for everyday use. Whether used as a reliable work truck, a weekend cruiser, or a collectible vintage pickup, this 1988 Ford Ranger remains a solid example of Ford's reputation for durability and versatility.
Number 2.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $8,700, well-maintained pickup truck with only 95,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in red with a gray interior, it is powered by a reliable 2.5L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering dependable performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The vehicle has been kept smoke-free and remains in very good mechanical condition. It recently received several important maintenance upgrades, including new brakes and rotors, new shocks, and new tires, ensuring a smooth and confident driving experience. The truck is equipped with alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, and power door locks for added comfort and convenience. Inside, the cabin features both heating and cold air conditioning, along with a Bluetooth GPS system and Apple CarPlay connectivity for modern driving convenience. The bed is protected by a bed liner and covered with a soft tonneau cover, while the sliding rear window adds extra practicality and ventilation.
Number 3.
1993 Ford F-250, price $10,000, well-maintained, elderly-owned truck that has been carefully cared for throughout its life. It is powered by the dependable 460 big block gasoline engine and has accumulated only 95,000 miles. The truck features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a gray interior, presenting a classic and attractive appearance. Recent maintenance and repairs completed within the last 2 months include a brand new transmission equipped with a shift kit, new upper and lower ball joints, and the replacement of nearly all steering components. According to the owner, the truck has no known issues and is ready to drive. Its low mileage, extensive recent mechanical work, and excellent overall condition make it a standout example of a 1993 Ford F-250 that truly needs to be seen to be appreciated.
Number 4.
1976 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000, well-maintained classic pickup powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. Showing approximately 58,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has been used as a reliable daily driver for the past several years and continues to perform exceptionally well. It features an eye-catching orange exterior complemented by a brown interior, giving it a classic and distinctive appearance. The truck is equipped with an Edelbrock 1903 quadrajet carburetor, which was professionally rebuilt approximately 2 years ago. Several important mechanical upgrades and maintenance items have been completed, including the installation of a new alternator, new battery, new starter, and a replacement fuel pump.
The front brakes and calipers have also been replaced, and all 4 tires have been upgraded with newer replacements. Number 5.
2001 Ford F-150, price $7,900, well maintained by its original owner and currently shows 148,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a powerful 5.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck features a white exterior, for full-size doors, and a tow package, making it a practical choice for both daily driving and hauling needs. According to the owner, the vehicle has never been involved in an accident and retains all of its original paint. The registration is up to date, and a clean title is in hand. A Carfax report is also available for review. The engine and transmission are reported to run exceptionally well, with no known mechanical issues. The truck is fitted with Falken tires and has been carefully maintained throughout its ownership. Overall, this one-owner Ford F-150 presents a great opportunity for anyone looking for a reliable full-size pickup with a strong V8 engine, documented history, and clean ownership record.
Number 6.
1997 Dodge Dakota, price $4,900, well-maintained midsize pickup truck with 181,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 2.5L four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a reliable and engaging driving experience. The truck comes in a red exterior with a gray interior and has had only 2 owners since new. Mechanically, the vehicle is in very good condition with no known issues, leaks, or accident history. It has a clean title and shows no signs of rust.
The truck is equipped with new tires, power steering, functioning heat and cold air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio for everyday comfort and convenience. The Dakota has been carefully maintained and includes 2 sets of keys.
Its combination of dependable performance, clean condition, manual transmission, and rust-free body makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a practical and reliable pickup truck.
Number 7.
1994 Ford F-150, price $5,800. This truck comes with a clean title and only 22,000 original miles, making it an exceptionally well-preserved example of this classic Ford pickup. Equipped with a dependable 4.9L gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, the truck runs and drives smoothly, delivering the reliable performance for which these models are known. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a clean gray interior, the vehicle has been maintained in excellent condition both cosmetically and mechanically. The frame is solid and completely rust-free, while the body is also free of rust, highlighting the care and preservation it has received over the years. The interior remains comfortable and well-kept, complementing the truck's overall appearance and condition.
Number 8.
1999 Ford F-350, price $6,500, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine and paired with an automatic transmission.
Finished in red with a gray interior, this truck has accumulated 428,000 miles and stands as a testament to the durability and longevity that the 7.3 Power-Stroke is known for. Recently taken in on trade, the truck continues to run and drive well despite its mileage. The transmission was replaced approximately 1 year ago with a remanufactured unit that had around 40,000 miles at the time of installation, contributing to its dependable performance. This is not a show truck, and it displays the cosmetic wear, bumps, and bruises expected from a hard-working vehicle of its age and mileage. The interior also shows signs of use.
However, the truck remains rust-free and mechanically solid where it matters most, making it a reliable workhorse that is ready to continue serving its next owner.
Number 9.
2000 Toyota Tundra, price $4,700. This truck features 160,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, and a gray exterior. The truck comes with a clean title, runs exceptionally well, and recently passed its smog inspection with no issues. It is equipped with durable K02 off-road tires, providing excellent traction and capability both on and off the pavement. The interior is in great condition for its age, showing that the vehicle has been well cared for over the years. The air conditioning blows cold, and all major features and accessories function properly as intended. Mechanically, the truck is strong and dependable, making it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable full-size pickup.
Number 10.
1976 Datsun 620, price $5,500. This truck features a manual transmission, a vibrant orange exterior, a black interior, and a gasoline-powered engine. It comes with a clean title, pink slip, and service receipts. Extensive maintenance has been completed, including a rebuilt cylinder head and carburetor, new timing chain components, refreshed ignition system, new fuel pump and fuel lines, fresh oil service, and a new smog pump. The cooling system has also been fully serviced with a new radiator, water pump, thermostat, hoses, belts, and coolant. In addition, the truck features a remanufactured alternator, battery, and a rebuilt AC compressor that only needs charging. This classic Datsun 620 has received substantial mechanical attention and is ready for its next owner.